Hey guys, welcome back. So today in this video, we'll build a PC under 25,000. This build will even include a monitor and mouse, so you'll not need any peripherals to add to your budget. Let me tell you that this PC is basically focused on office work and not for gaming. Although it's for office work, you can do some slight gaming but not hardcore. Before starting the video, let me tell you that all the components used are first hand and prices may vary with time. So let's begin with the processor. The processor that we are using in this build will be AMD Athlon 3000G. This processor is an AM4 socket based processor which makes your PC build future proof if you want to install a higher processor in future. There are many processors based on AM4 socket like 2400G and 3400G which you can use if you want to upgrade. So speaking about the specs of this processor, it's a dual core processor with 4 threads. Simultaneous multi-threading on this processor is enabled and you get Vega 3 graphics built in. Moreover, the TDP on this processor is 35 watts which makes it power efficient. All the links will be provided in the description so you can have a look at it. Speaking about the motherboard, we are using ASUS Prime 320MK motherboard in this build. In this motherboard, you get an M.2 slot which is an added bonus at this price. You get all general ports required on this motherboard and you also get dual channel memory option. Now speaking about the RAM, we'll use Crucial 8GB DDR4 RAM. This is a basic RAM stick as we are on a tight budget. If you want, you can also check out DDR4 RAM which has a heatsink applied on it. But make sure it suits your pocket. Now make sure that you buy DDR4 RAM module for your PC. You can increase your RAM anytime if you decide to upgrade your PC. Speaking about power supply, here you can buy Thermaltake 450 watts power supply. This will cost you around 2700 rupees and it's a good value. Speaking about cabinet, we'll be using Chiptronics cabinet. This will cost you around 2500 rupees. You can also change the cabinet or you can change your budget according to your requirement. I would suggest you to buy all these components offline as it would be cheaper. Now speaking about storage, here it's up to you whether you want speed or storage. If you're okay with less speed and more storage, you can buy a HDD which is around 3500 rupees. The only down point here will be you will get more booting time and you'll have to wait for more time. Your PC will be less snappier if you compare to that of SSD. So I would suggest you to go with SSD and you can buy an external HDD. SSD is always a great option to buy during your PC build. I would suggest you always give SSD first preference. Coming to peripherals, you can buy LG monitor that will cost you around 4700 rupees. This is a pretty decent monitor considering the price. Speaking about mouse and keyboard, you can buy this combo that's provided by HP. For now, the price is just 850 rupees and it may vary. You can also find other options on store. So if you enjoyed the video, do like, share and subscribe for more updates.